In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the withdrawal limits at a Wells Fargo ATM. If you've ever found yourself needing to withdraw money and unsure how much your ATM card permits, you're in the right place. Understanding your withdrawal limit can be crucial, whether you're planning a big purchase or just organizing your finances on the go. So let's dive in and simplify this process together. First things first, let's open the Wells Fargo mobile app. On your phone, you should see the Wells Fargo icon. Give it a tap, and then securely sign in using your credentials. This will bring you to your account's home screen. If you don't have the app installed yet, you'll want to download it from your device's app store and set it up using your Wells Fargo account information. Once you've logged in, the next step is to head over to the Account Services section. From the home screen, look for the menu icon, which might look like three horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger menu or simply labeled as More. Tap on that and you will see several options. Choose Account Services from the list. This section is where you can manage many aspects of your account and card settings. Next, you'll want to select Card Settings. In the Account Services menu, find the option that reads Card Settings or something similar like Manage Cards. Tap on that to proceed to the next screen. This is essentially where you can control the preferences and settings related to your card, providing you with various management options. Now choose the debit card that you commonly use for ATM transactions. If you have multiple cards connected to your account, make sure you select the correct one. Each card may have its own set limits, so ensuring you're working with the right one is important to find accurate information. Once you've selected your card, scrolling down will reveal the information you're after. Look for the section named ATM and Purchase Limits. Tap on this and you'll be able to see your current daily withdrawal limit. This is the cap on how much cash you can withdraw from an ATM in a single day using this card. Lastly, some cards might give you the flexibility to view or request a change in your withdrawal limit right from this section of the app. If your card supports this feature and you feel the need to adjust the limit, for instance, increasing it to accommodate an upcoming large purchase, or lowering it for added security, you might have the option right at your fingertips. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully discovered how to find and perhaps even adjust your withdrawal limits for a Wells Fargo ATM. This small yet essential piece of knowledge can grant you peace of mind and financial flexibility when you need it the most. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit subscribe for more useful tips on managing your finances with ease.